Good morning, Codger Biker here. What's up with you? Today, stock exhaust. Okay, well, one of the things that I've been least impressed with on my wonderful bike, which I love, is the stock exhaust. Just a bit of a boring lump of metal. So, aiming to change that at some point. Meantime, just having a look at the decibel level. I'm having to use this camera because my other camera broke. So that's looking around about 80 or so decibels, 83. It's a bit meh. Peaking around about 92, the average is 80 decibels. Now, of course, every 3 decibels is doubling the sound. And of course, this meter is not accurate. It's about as accurate as a UK weather forecast, but it's a relative thing. Say hello. Hello. Yeah, so the situation here is that I broke my Picasso camera, dropped it a few months back actually, and I think it was okay until I peeled the screen protector off. I think it was already cracked and that finished it off. Still works, but I can't adjust the microphone volume on it. It's a bit critical when you're moto vlogging. Fortunately, GoPro have taken my money and have sent me nothing, and have refused to accept there was even an order, so it's a little bit of a pain. So while I wait for a new camera, I've just been looking at my exhaust. Codger Biker is out.